Hi, my name is Wayne Mortensen. I'm an Arizona attorney, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of the most popular questions that people ask when they come in the office. And that question is, will I lose my home if I file a bankruptcy? And so that's a little bit of a loaded question, and really any attorney that you ask that to has to know a lot of facts. There's a lot of different factors that go into it. Now, as a general rule of thumb, and I'm just going to tell you, I'm not telling you you won't lose your home, but I have never had a Chapter 7 client lose their home to a Chapter 7 trustee in bankruptcy because, number one, if I realize that is a possibility, I won't file the case. I won't put someone's home in jeopardy in Chapter 7 bankruptcy if I think there's a possibility. So what I've done today is I've come up with a little bit of a hypothetical. This is not legal advice. You need to check this with your own attorney with regard to your fact pattern. There's a lot of different factors that go into this. Number one, where you've lived in the last couple of years with regard to your exemptions and what exemptions you've claimed. So this hypothetical that I'm going to give you assumes that you are entitled to take the Arizona exemptions, okay? So client comes in and they say, okay, we want to file a bankruptcy. And I say, do you have a home? And they say, yes, we own a home, and the home's current market value, what we could sell it for today, the fair market value would be $480,000. I say, great, that sounds good. I then say, okay, is there a mortgage on the home? Yes, we have a mortgage. What's the balance on the mortgage? The current balance on the mortgage, this hypothetical, $280,000. So client has $200,000 in equity. If they sell the home today, and I'm not taking cost of sale and things of that into account, but just general, kind of flat round numbers. If they sold the home today, they'd sell it for $480,000. They'd pay off the $280,000. They'd end up with about $200,000. Okay, that is their equity position in the home. Now, again, assuming they are entitled to the Arizona homestead exemption, we go to the homestead exemption, and the homestead exemption was changed in January of 2022, and it was increased from $150,000 to $250,000. Now, there are factors that go in to make sure that you're qualified for the homestead exemption, but again, assuming they do qualify, the Arizona homestead exemption is $250,000, okay? So in this case, that $250,000 number is greater than the $200,000, and I would tell the client that yes, their home is protected in bankruptcy. They will not lose their home to the Chapter 7 trustee because there is nothing for them to take. Now, there are issues surrounding that. There are things that come up. It's a very factual question. There are areas of the law you have to look at. So while this is a general overview and hypothetical of how people keep their home in a Chapter 7, it's not saying to you that this is all you need to think about and this is all you need to do. That is why it is vital to use an attorney who understands bankruptcy and understands the exemptions and understands all of the caveats and issues that can come up surrounding those exemptions. My name is Wayne Mortensen. I am one of those attorneys. I'll look forward to talking to you about your home and seeing how we can protect it. Thank you.